Hi everyone, it's Toy Haley here. Welcome back to Brandon's Adventures. Today we're playing Part 7 of Ratchet and Clank. Let's smash these guys' heads off. I don't even care. I really want to get by these guys. Fat guy, you're such an idiot. Yeah, by the way, everyone, my name is Toy Haley. This might be the one that stays on the charger all the time. Oh wait, this is where Toy Burn Wolf left off last time, I believe. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to fight these guys. We're gonna have to fight these guys. Oh, I'm out of... Oh, we'll just hit him with a wrench. That's always a good way to go. Yeah! Fat idiots. Oh, wow. That hurt. I'm not as dramatic as the original Haley. Yeah, don't blame me for if the camera angle... Yeah, don't blame me for the camera angle because it's very terrible. Oh, we're gonna have to go to the train next. And the train level is so good. It's well done. Yeah, this is the original Ratchet and Clank. Oh, flamethrower! I forgot about that. No. I really don't want to go back and restart this game over again. Okay, we're gonna have to go now. Ah, that guy killed me! Why? Oh, come. First death for me of a toy animatronic ever. That was the first death for a toy animatronic. Hang on, I'll be back with you guys here in a minute. Hang on. Here, I'm gonna get this blue controller. Yeah, Ethan's is not working. Okay, let's turn it on. There we go. Yeah, that feels better. Yeah. Burn Wolf's controller works better. But now, oh, it's lag. Yeah, this is one reason why Burn Wolf's controller sometimes sucks too. That guy's trying to shoot me. No, I don't freaking think so. You can go ahead and get hit like a big fat idiot that you are. Okay, I don't want to deal with these guys all day. Yeah, get out of my way! You can't deal with a girl! David's as much as an idiot as Marty is. Don't worry, the reason why this game is probably so bad now steps. Oh wait, this is gonna be the last part of the video. Oh, we literally have to like... Oh, we have to fight our way through these dudes. Let's freaking go! Girls rule! Not really, but I mean, sometimes girls rule. Let me down in the comments below if you don't want Marty to date Haley. I'm dating Golden Bruno. He's so handsome. Oh, sorry, I'm talking about my boyfriend. This game is so awesome. We didn't like... Yeah, this is about to be our fifth. Jump. Flamethrower. Infant robot! Oh, yes. Oh, it's the bomb guy. This guy's an idiot, too. Well, we can actually watch this part.
Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind ship.
Drax Cam.
You must prepare this planet to be
Planet Cam.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
More like you're killing each other.
As your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Your wreck is destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drac. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, that lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where.
We're gonna go to Skim and Marks and we're gonna like film that part, and I think that's about it. Wow, very good information. I mean, I love this game. We all enjoy playing this game. Let's see what's over here. Let's see. Oh, balls! Health. Okay, I don't want this video to be that long. I think we're gonna wait for that mission. Someone else is gonna do that in another video, hopefully. We had 3 videos. How many videos have you had on this planet? Let me down in the comments below. How many videos did we actually have in all on this planet? We got a taxi cab over there. I mean, I know, I'm Toy Haley. I should be cute. Am I cute? Yeah, I know I am.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Oh, can I finally buy this? It won't let me go over. Back. Oh, can't buy it yet. Okay. Back. Okay, let's see it. Another. Okay. Exit. We're gonna go to the planet now. I think we're gonna end it there. So we get to the planet, I think that's where we're gonna end it. Because I've been filming for quite a long time. I really want you guys to see Skim Marks. He's a pretty awesome dude in this game. Pro hoverboarder, actually. Then that's the next one. Yeah, here. There we go. I think we're gonna skip the space shuttle launch. Do you all want to skip the space shuttle launch, or? Oh, I guess we have to watch it. We're gonna skip it. I actually know where he is. I'm actually going to show you him very shortly. He's back. He's back over this way. Yep.
It's him, Skid McMarks.
That man from the infobot.
In the flesh, little dude. You guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in?
We saw you, screaming for help.
That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
Did he survive the crash, sir?
He's okay, but I've I've had a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle.
Oh, come on.
If you can take out all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarks, but Ratchet and I need to find Captain...
One of your boards? I've always wanted a decent hoverboard. Well, alright. You just keep that foot elevated.
Okay, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, everyone.